In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email on your Cursor AI account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're updating your contact information or need to switch emails for administrative purposes, this process is straightforward and can be done in under 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to sign in to your Cursor AI account. Head over to the Cursor AI website and log in with your current credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main account page. This is your hub for managing all things Cursor AI, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with this interface as it's where you'll make your email change. Next, locate the dashboard view. This is where you have access to various features and settings relevant to your account. Clicking on the dashboard is like opening the command center for your Cursor AI account, giving you an overview of everything you have at your disposal. Now, in order to proceed further, navigate to the Billing and Invoices section. This is an essential step since billing information is directly tied to your account details, including your email. Once there, you will see various options related to your billing activities and current subscriptions, providing a clear view of your financial interactions with Cursor AI. In the Billing and Invoices section, look for the option that says Manage Subscription. Click on this, and it will open a new tab in your browser. This new tab is actually your billing portal where you can handle specific subscription details, including essential account settings. After the billing portal opens up, you'll want to find the section labeled Billing Information. This is crucial because it's where all your account details, including the email, are stored. It's essential to have the correct billing information on file to ensure you receive important notifications and updates from Cursor AI. Finally, once you're in the Billing Information section, click on the Update Information option. Here, you can update your billing email and any other details that need changing. Enter your new email address carefully and double-check it to avoid any typos before saving the changes. Updating these details ensures you continue receiving billing notifications and account-related communications seamlessly. And that's it. With these steps, you should now have successfully changed the email on your Cursor AI account. Remember to keep your login credentials secure, and if you ever need to make changes again, this guide will be here to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy managing of your Cursor AI account.